along with me, I'm Qisthy Aristia. So in this video, I will show you how to solder. Before we start, so let me introduce the equipment. First, it is solder, and then solder iron, and two wires. So let's get started. The first is remove the insulation from the ends of both wires, just like this. And then make sure your soldering iron is fully heated and touch the tip to the end of one of the wires. Hold it on the wire for 3 until 4 seconds. Keep the soldering iron in place and touch the solder to the wire until fully coated, like this. And repeat this process on the other wire. And then connect these wires with solder iron. Wait a few seconds until it cools down. Finally, these wires has been connected. Yay!
Each other.
That's all from me, and thank you. Bye.
Gimana ini?